Ryan, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Ryan, don't! A well a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a well a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a well a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a well a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a well a Ryan, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. A well a bird, bird. A bird, a well a bird. Surfing
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Thank you. Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word. The bird is the word. The bird is the word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it again! Don't you know about the bird? Everybody knows that the bird is the word. Jesus Christ! The Messiah! You've returned! You've returned to bring us the good word!
What word?
A well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird. But bird's a word, a... Me too. Although he did give me something right before he disappeared.
What?
Something very special, Lois.
What is it, Dad?
What, you haven't heard? A well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, a... What everybody's heard about the bird.
I thought he said it's